What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new video. So guys, in this video we'll discuss one of the most top 5 play to earn game from where you can generate the best return, and it allows user to join the virtual lands, and you can create your farm, and you can cultivate, you can harvest, and you can generate best return in the shape of tokens. And it's best platforms you can avail now. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification, so you will be updated with the gameplay and tokenomics and the potential of the projects, and each and everything will be there. So you can generate the best return in the future if you jumped in right now. So let me clear, it's not a financial advice, so do it with your own reach. Study these platforms. If you think you can generate best return, so you can join that. So these are the play to earn farming games. So in my list, the number 5, I will show you the detail about the number 5, and we will continue the process, and I will tell you all the details how you can play that. The first is Cropbites. So this one is the number 5 list, and you can harvest, you can cultivate land, so you can start your making plants and different types of produce the products and crop and for animal feed. So lots of option will be there. Feed animals, you can also feed your animals and complete your task, and you will be rewarded as tokens, and these tokens can be exchanged to other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. It's a perfect options, and you can easily exchange from there. And the total assets value you can see here, and it's a perfect to grow the farming and business, and you can easily select your lands and start farming there, and you can cultivate your land and farm and Cropbites. So all options will be there. Take care of your assets and get daily products, so you can generate tokens on daily basis also. And it's a perfect idea to grow the fruits, and you can see the apple fruits, and you can get more, and you will be rewarded as you grow your crops and how efficient you work and how complete your task. So you can get more more reward, and how you feed the animals, and these are the tasks that you need to complete, and when you complete the tasks you will be rewarded. And the number 4 is VassFarm. So this is the one of the most best play to earn project that I'm introducing in front of you. So in this project, this is also a play to earn platform. You can harvest different types of plants, and there are different types of tasks, and when you complete the tasks you will be rewarded as tokens, and you can also exchange these tokens to other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. This is the best opportunity for you, and you can see the different types of tasks are available, the warehouses, and you can complete these tasks, and you can harvest different types of fruits and plants, and you can easily generate the best returns. So build your warehouse and rewarded with, just so you can easily rewarded, you can unlock also. So this is the process and the task that you need to complete, and after completing these tasks successfully, you can generate the best return. So the purpose to providing best project is that my community can generate best return in the future, because my community is my first priority. So that's why I always try my best to introduce kind of project from where my community can generate a huge amount of response in the future. So that's why on the number 3 is the Pixel. It's the most famous and promising play to earn project, and you can work on it. You can start your virtual land here, you can cultivate here, grow your farm, you can feed, you can start work here, and you can complete the task and cultivating and different types of fruit, learn new skills. So there is amazing feature in this game, and you will be surprised to see that how you can cultivate and feed your animals and protect your animals, and how you can complete the task, and it depends on you. So you can work by yourself, and you can generate best return in the shape of tokens, and you will exchange these tokens to other currencies and other fiat currencies. You can buy, you can sell. So options are fully open for you. You can download MetaMask, and you can see BlackBerry, and plenty of options are available here. So unless you complete the task, you can generate best return, you grow your energy, and you can get more reward. So this is the way how you will play in Pixel. The number 2 is Legacy. It's a most promising and famous play to earn a virtual game. And when you enter in this game, you will be surprised to see there are plenty of options are available. You can see here, you will complete the tasks again, and according to their command and control, you will cultivate, you will harvest, you will do all things in your farm. And these are the tasks, I must say, which you have to complete. And after completing these tasks, you can generate tokens, and you can also exchange these tokens to other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. So here you can see the farm is under process, and they are cultivating, they are harvesting, they are exchanging things to warehouses. And these are the tasks which remains in this play to earn game. So you have to complete different types of tasks, and after completing the task, you can secure your assets. Also, you can generate best return from here, and you complete the levels, because there are plenty of levels available, and you can also generate best return from here. The number 1 is Sunflower Land. It's on my list, and the top of the list is Sunflower Land. Build your own farm, discover rare NFTs. So here you can generate NFTs by completing the task and generating resources. And when you start working on it, you will be rewarded as the NFTs, and you can generate best return from here also. So this was the detail about these games, and these are the best games ever in 2024. And when you visit that, you will be surprised to see the potential of these 5 play to earn farming game. And in the virtual world, it's the best opportunity to spend the time, play the game, complete the task, complete the levels, and you can generate best reward. Explain your lands. आप अपने land को expand कर सकते हैं. How you can expand your land, and you can select what kind of options you want to select in there. You can easily encode your land. तो आप अपनी land के लिए चीज़ों को select कर सकते हैं. You can select from here and spot it out in your lands to make your land beautiful and looks promising. So यहाँ से आप अपनी land को encourage भी कर सकते हैं, feed animals को feed भी कर सकते हैं. So this is a wonderful experience, because I visited that, and looks to me as perfect, and I decided to introduce these 5 play to earn game in front of my community. So hope for the best, and I'm sure you briefly understand about that, how you will select your games plans and blockchain gaming and cryptocurrency. So we will bring more cryptocurrency in future. So stay tuned with us, and like and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see the next upcoming gaming also. So guys, I provide you these 5 best games, so we will meet our next video with new play to earn games. So I'm sure you will like that. So wish you best of